I beg. I say this matter. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I don't end this surrogate matter. This woman when say make I take care of a surrogate. So when he leave surrogate for me, say make I take care of things. Surrogate go born sitting in Nigeria, now go give me money. So now the husband now come here, come tell una make una help me beg am. Because the man when he say the two na husband and wife, so the man now another wicked man for this life when I never ever see. Yeah, the man not they talk me, I not getting time safe. You understand? I never see him once for life. When he can't donate, Wetin he donate. Now I beg. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go that side, but I beg. Wanna help me beg and make it leave me, make I take care of my children. I beg. Make it stop to the same voice. Any voice meaning with your wife, they talk, cause they are safe that side. May not send her for me. Sometimes unblock you again. Go use number they send you. I don't want time. I just talk to the both of them. And I just still want at this morning. See the stage when the surrogate did. They see the surrogate picture for them. See the stage when this girl did. When they use these children that they play for inside Pele. The surrogate not even know anything when they happen. So but I believe say by tomorrow put an end to all these things. By tomorrow everything is end. Surrogate self go rest. Me self I go still rest. Everybody going on, I beg. I don't want problem. I don't want problem. I don't already pay the surrogate that money because how many periods remain? Not in the case so it don't end. By tomorrow everything go end. Everybody will carry on. I beg. Because I have to beg this man. Now the man picture now they see for yes. So now beneath this man they stay. If he no stop to the right me or talk to me again, I go drag them. Me and I not get anything. I don't want problem. I don't stay away from them. And they not get right. They can't ask me anything again.
Gracie, will you shut up your mouth? Pin your mouth. Pin. Your mouth. You not get anything with them. Are you for real? Are you for real? You dey talk about na so your mouth be. Not be you tell us say na this man na he come donate his sperm for you. Then you take go give surrogate wey be say the surrogate can't get belle like this. I been another thing. So how you do the man sperm? You go tell people. Are you for real? Grace, you see one thing. You know they finish for problem. You wey be say you get 6 children. 6. You go they see they chook your hand for many things. They find problem they go. Now you want to run. Oh, where you they run they go? Who want to take care of the pikin where they come? Not be only one, maybe not 2 or 3. Because you talk and say not be one baby. Not try yourself or you go carry those children. Join your own. May you train. Because this woman will be say they 70 years. Seeing this man now, he go still dey the same age with this woman, or maybe he still senior the woman. Now you sit down, you open your eye. You can't say you dey find person wey wan carry pikin for two of them. When they carry the pikin, this woman wey be say wan pay the money, our egg e no dey for this one wey be say e carry belle. How you take do am, Grace? Come tell us. Wey come be say this woman no be she be the mother of this baby wey dey inside belle, but na this man na be the papa of this woman wey be say carry this belle. How come? Why this woman egg don dey for inside here and the woman wey dey up for here she dey spend money? Come tell us. How you take convince the woman? You tell her say no worry, we go do am like that. The woman can't agree. I no understand, because for me, how I know say they take they do surrogate. Now your egg, the woman egg, now they go take, because so that if that pikin dey born now, it go be your own. You see this woman where he carry her, it no go be oh. Wetin she just do now just to help them carry the belle. Now so me I know say they take they do am. They still get another way where they take they do am, where it can be say they will come give me baby and the baby no come be my own. Hey, it go come be my husband sperm, but me as a mother not be my own. e no go resemble me, nothing take from me because me I no even dey exist for the picture. Grace, come tell us. You see all this one wey you just dey do, so you just dey like, I no understand. Abi, I no, the thing no clear well because now you carry yourself come media. Now you can't tell us, say, make una tell this woman, oh, make she come pay, oh, this woman don't run, oh, you know they see her again, oh. Now, you don't come put the man picture for here. Carry the person wey carry the belle, come put for here, cover his eye, say, you not get hand again for inside, though, you not concern you, oh, nothing concern you, oh, make the man not try out. Where you carry the man, go, you go come tell people. Because now the man, according to you, oh, say now the man, now he can't do the, he can't even call your house. Hey, now you be doctor, me I no understand. You see the kind way you dey complicate yourself every blessed day. Now you be doctor. You be doctor wey be say na your house na the man come. Now you talk am for your video when the man come. Only that time you tell no. If you want look for person, say maybe person want carry, person want do surrogate, you fit look for somebody. You tell am say the money wey I want to look for that person, you still give me small. Your own go don finish for there. Their matter e no go concern you. Now the woman with the daughter, now they will come dey do one. But now you now come be the daughter, come be everything. Make I play the video. Make we continue. Not talk am again, oh. Oh yeah.
Because if they try am, they not go like it. If they try and not go like it, because every of our discussion right from the one to now I have it. They should stay away from me and I will stay away from them. It has happened.
Oga Mr. Man wey dey up and sister Philomena, make una not let am use mouth take tell una say if una try am, e go carry una go this one. Make una not fear, we dey here for una. Okay? We dey here because if he be say because he get social media, he go call you one say they intimidate una. Make una not buy am. This woman wey be say na Philomena and Mr. Man wey dey up, make una drag am, make una hold am. Make una hold am. How everything take happen, we wan hear am. We go settle the issue. Yes, because Grace no get right. We go collect money from this woman hands. Go collect money, big money. He not talk the amount, oh, the amount we collect. Oh. He said this woman don't pay half. He no want make come pay the rest. The pikin, you want go sell pikin for this woman. You want sell pikin for her. Egg wey be say supposed to take when they do the surrogate, the woman egg not there. This woman not even know anything. She there for Italy according to Grace. Say na Italy this woman they stay. The woman was not there. Nothing.
When it has happened, no problem. But this life, now they teach me say we cannot do good again. Although I don't supposed to they do good though, because a lot of people they take my good art for granted. I don't suppose stop. But and the way she take come to me, I just need to be there for her. I don't know say that bad thing now too. So since that bad thing I do, maybe say everybody call they insult me. Maybe everybody says some people call they insult me because of her so. And she says sit until she come Nigeria before she go pay so. No problem. Yeah, doctor say I will not allow that to happen. Now, not be me need the picking now. I need picking. I make una say I want to surrogate.
If this woman call Naija, according to Grace, if he call Naija, he get right. She with this man, then especially this man, because now this man I go do go donate his sperm. This man get right to know where those children they. Grace just they play. Just the place say you don't remove hand though, you know concern you again. Oh, this one, the other one, where you carry this man sperm go, you go bring am come. You don't already come show the picture say this woman and they carry the belle, this man I get this thing. You go come show am because maybe they not even get voice like that. Now you want come like how you want come do the baby, you want come tell the girl say the woman say as it be now, that's the woman wey get belle, as it be now, make you just kukuma go to where. How you take do am? How this woman take carry the belle? Who get the egg where you use, Grace? Now this woman na get the egg where you use. I be na another person na get egg where you use. Because this woman where be say they 70 years, I so much believe say monopause she don't enter, and she not even there on ground when you they do all these things. How you take do am, Grace? You can't tell us. Not come they tell say this. Okay, you want make this woman now? You don't pay her. That's what you thought. You say you don't pay her money, so make it carry the pikin, make they go. Now one chance, now you enter so, Grace. One chance. Next time, not let your eye they open too much for money, because if you too open, now pepper now they enter. Pepper now you go enter inside. You hear, Grace? You go carry these children. wey this woman get join. You go carry this woman, this surrogate woman children, because you say no be one, you go carry am join your own train for this man. You go carry am train am for this man, because the way wey you take enter the issue I no understand. Woman no dey on ground. Wetin you tell this woman? How much this woman don pay you? Sister Philo and Mr. Man wey dey up, una no fear grace, una no fear am. We fit know the way grace take dey, because when it comes to money, e sabi eat people money. E go dey chop people head. When visa come, everybody see am. When he say in the na so make dem come dey put mangi for inside kpekus, everybody still see the way take collect money for people hand. Grace come tell us wetin you with this woman discuss, how much this woman don pay you. You say because you with am discuss about money, this woman come pay you half. The October be November, you come dey call this woman no come dey respond again. You say even the surrogate wey dey here, so even sometimes the woman no dey bring money to eat for water. Na so you talk for your video, for the first video wey you do. You say na even you come dey even dey give the surrogate all those things. You say this woman come, e no come mind again. Now you say this woman say if she come Nigeria, na she go pay the rest money. Because of say this woman say no dey pay again, na you come say this surrogate e no come concern you again, nothing concern you, no, you know. Just dey play grace. Oya, talk am finish. May we hear am finish. Oya.
So I beg, una help me tell this man make he stay away from me. Put your face on my video.
For your mind. For your mind.
I beg.
Where is man? Where bring?
The wicked man will not bring help join this woman pay.
Where the spam wey be say give you grace? You say na wicked man say not join this woman pay. This man, you with am, una discuss about wetin una wan do. You tell this woman discuss with her husband wetin dem dey do, because according to you, you say this man no know anything. Now this woman just tell am say na she wan carry the baby. 70 years old woman wan carry baby. Now Grace na tell us, oh, he say this woman na 70 years old. I don't know whether na true. This man just come give you spam, so you can't tell us that make the woman, then the man pay money. The man dey wicked. He never even know wetin una dey do. Wetin he wan pay for? I don't understand.
But yeah, the woman no even get anything. I no even talk to her about me, and I no get any problem. If you like, make insult me, because the man say they insult me, no problem. I no get that time. But see the wicked man, when no gree help the woman pay shin.
Can you imagine?
Money matter. Beginning of the journey till the woman don't even tire. This man no gree pay. You won't come worry. They must send a transport. He no gree help. Although not being carried down shower, not be all men. They put money for this thing. At times we do it ourselves. But when it's too much, it's not good. It's not good. Me and they talk and say, wetin me be as a woman, no woman fit be around. For husband house, no woman fit be around. So me, I know they say all those things to be anything. If you go bring joy, I go share stand do them. I know they reason anything. I understand. Okay, well I watch it. Hey, sorry, I'm.
Can you imagine, my people? He said this man no gree pay the rest money for this woman again. Man wey no know wetin una dey do, una only tell am say may you go your house, may you go give you spam. That's how you talk, oh Grace. You said the woman come dey vex say why you come dey talk to the husband, because this woman don tell the husband say na him go carry the baby, na she go carry the pregnancy. You say na so una take discuss am. We dey here sit down look na be dog. Oh, because you Grace, you when it comes to money matter, don't talk am say because of say they old, oh, you don't comot your hand. Where you keep that two baby, whether na two or na three baby, you go come tell us. Sister Philo, no fear, okay? No just fear Grace, no fear. As una take discuss am, you should not dey talk am well. You can't tell us we dey here. Because this one we dey talk about pikin wey dey this woman belle. Grace, ask the pikin wetin go come happen to those children, because for your mind now, you say you don't pay the surrogate, so make the surrogate carry the pikin make they go. May una come see you. He said this man not get voice to come ask her anything. Wetin you carry? Where he get voice? So na for your mind now the thing say not get voice. You don't already tell us say this man come do now the man bring the spam come. So you know let you come change now say you not know the man for anywhere, he not give you spam, he there for social media. okay, I see then and there assume when the thing go come dey long dey go when they go come dey, you no understand, so everything go come dey come out. Then make you dey talk say because na you be the doctor, you no tell this woman say make just find person give you, go find doctor wey wan help you, and not my hand and my leg no dey o, I dey trace small children o, I no fit for wahala. No, you enter inside because money dey there, because you know say money dey wey the woman go give you. Na im make you enter inside, because something wey money no dey you no go enter. Na now you wan come tell us say make we help you beg the man make e no disturb you again, you get children to train. You no fair know say you get children to train before. Make you comot for road. Madam, make you no just fear. If you come Nigeria come tell us, we dey here, na we dey judge am, we dey here. No mind grace o, oga Mr. Man, no fear grace, even though say wan carry, they wan come arrest una, because na so arrest na she dey arrest. We dey here, we go arrest am for social media, because na the one wey dey arrest for here na im dey pay pass with the one wey dem dey use ogbalegbete dey do. No fear am. If you just tell you say no try am again, tell us make bring your spam coin get here. Wetin you wan use am do? Sister wey e be say e be surrogate, no still fear. If grace just threaten you, come social media come tell us how e dey be. Grace, na one chance na you enter. So help me to love and like and share this video. Man, I no mind this grace when they talk about that video. Go settle them, go sit down, go settle them. Say you want chop money, see money now. When it dey sweet, you dey there. When it dey bitter, you say you want run. Where you dey run, they go. I sit down for them, make you settle the issue. Now bye bye my people.